Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You know, Christmas has always been a special time of year to reconnect with family and friends and to reflect on the past year. I'm looking forward to dinner tonight with all my
really
kids.
Bad. I don't know. I'm looking at ordering her booties and a jacket to help keep her warm when she goes outside. And
little dinosaur costumes. That's what we need. Yeah, well, rawr. How's it going, punk?
Unfortunately, Dustin and Dylan won't be able to make it, but we'll be thinking of them. We're all going out for Chinese food. You know, I don't know what it is about Chinese food during Christmas for me, but I think it's connected with that movie, A Christmas Story. You remember the movie where the dog ate the turkey and they had to go out for Christmas dinner only to end up at the only restaurant in town that was open during the holidays, which was a Chinese place? I don't know, it was funny, and it always sticks in my mind, but it kind of just seems like maybe it's not a bad tradition.
When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look.
I've also been reflecting on this past year. When I think back to this time last year and everything that has changed. I mean, if you remember last year, I went from feeling depressed and overwhelmed to now having this fresh new start. The forest fires that rolled through and gave me all this time off work, which was great because I just used that to invest in a relationship with my brother and spending time getting to know him and his family, as well as spending a lot of time investing in myself. I think of all the things that I've been asking the universe for years and how they've all just seemed to come true this year. I've met a whole new group of friends, and I've managed to, just through the way everything worked out, end up with this fresh new start in a brand new place. I'm also coming up on 52 videos. And 52 videos was always my initial goal. My goal was to make one video a week for a whole year and just see where my channel ended up. And as I get closer to that goal, I'm wondering if I'll keep going or if I'll just say, okay, enough's enough, I'm just gonna go live my life. But as I think more and more about it, I realize the channel has become more like a personal journal. It's a way for me to objectively look at my life and my goals. I'm definitely going to keep making videos, I think, into the new year and see how far this can go. I'm excited to announce that I have a couple of projects I'm going to tackle next year, and I think they're going to make some good content for the channel. I also have a very exciting announcement that I've been working on for the last couple of months that I look forward to announcing here in the next 2 or 3 videos. And I can't wait to share it all with you. I'm also looking forward to seeing you all in the upcoming years. We continue on our adventures camping and van building and just being old-time hippies on the road. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all are having a very Merry Christmas. Until next time, stay safe, have fun, and just get out there and have yourself an adventure. Stay safe, guys.